Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding ICMR, National Institute of Epidemiology, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, MPH, Master of Public Health, Admissions Information. और मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा जो कैंडिडेट्स MPH एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, ICMR, एम्स ऋषिकेश, एम्स रायपुर, एम्स जोधपुर, एम्स भुवनेश्वर, CUET PG, जिपमेर, निमहांस, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी और अन्य सभी यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन की PDF नोट्स लेना चाहते हैं, ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना रखा है जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियोज मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशंस के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। तो यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन दी जा रही है, ICMR जो है इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च, NIE दैट इज नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एपिडेमियोलॉजी, इसका जो मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ कोर्स है, इसका प्रोस्पेक्टस है ICMR NIE इंडिया FETP मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एपिडेमियोलॉजी एंड हेल्थ सिस्टम, ICMR स्कूल ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ 2023। तो यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन है इसके बारे में। अबाउट अस, ICMR National Institute of Epidemiology, ICMR NIE Chennai is one of the permanent institution of the ICMR and a flagship organization for epidemiology, public health and biostatistics in India. ICMR NIE houses the ICMR School of Public Health to conduct public health capacity building programs and public health research. The institute has been conducting field epidemiology training programs, FATPs, meant to strengthen public health workforce in India since 2001. FATP is aimed at strengthening health services through training of middle-level medical officers in government health departments with a learning by doing approach to build a cadre of trained epidemiologists who are able to respond to priority public health events in the country. मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एपिडेमियोलॉजी एंड हेल्थ सिस्टम 2011 ऑनवर्ड्स, तो 2011 ऑनवर्ड्स से ये कोर्स चल रहा है। मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ हेल्थ सर्विसेज डेवलपमेंट एंड रिसर्च 2008 to 10, मास्टर ऑफ अप्लाइड एपिडेमियोलॉजी 2001 to 10, एफिलिएशन 2-year MPH डिग्री बाय श्री चित्रा तिरुनाल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर मेडिकल साइंसेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी त्रिवेंद्रम, एन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस अंडर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, member of TEPHINET definite training program in epidemiology and public health inventions network. TEPHINET is the global network of field epidemiology training program, FATPs, building a workforce to protect all people from public health threats. तो यहाँ पे कोर्स क्रेडिट दिए, कोर्स क्रेडिट 60, कॉन्टैक्ट सेशन 22, फील्ड प्रोजेक्ट 38, 5 फील्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स कोर्स के बारे में जानकारी है। पब्लिक हेल्थ सिचुएशन एनालिसिस, सेकेंडरी डाटा एनालिसिस, आउटब्रेक इन्वेस्टिगेशन, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ हेल्थ प्रोग्राम, सर्विलेंस सिस्टम, डिस्ट्रैक्शन एपिडेमियोलॉजी स्टडी, ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम्स दे रखे हैं। क्राइटेरिया फॉर अवार्ड ऑफ MPH डिग्री है minimum of grade B minus in all the courses and field project with a minimum CGPA of 2 in total. Admission to the program, admission is open to government and private candidates, government or private सभी candidates apply कर सकते हैं। Preference to the candidates sponsored by that central, state government, union territories and armed forces. Eligibility criteria है MBBS degree recognized by National Medical Council, A, working in public health, preferably regularized and permanent employees of state or central government department or medical institutions. B, private non-government candidate working in public health. 3 years experience in public health related activities, age up to 45 years, as on 1/7/2023, departmental candidates from ICMR institutions granted age relaxation of 5 years. SC, ST, OBC, PH candidates eligible for age relaxation as per Government of India rules. Sponsorship: the sponsoring authority, central, state government, non-government organization, private institutions should nominate and depute the candidates for 2 years on a full-time basis. Sponsor candidates should enclose sponsorship letter from the employer in original in the specified format. Refer specimen given in the application form along with the application or procedure the same or produce the same at the time of interview. If the candidates are not sponsored at the time of application, no objection certificate, NOC from the employer or a letter mentioning that the candidates will be sponsored if selected for the course should be enclosed. Refer specimen given in the application form. Terms and conditions of selection: candidates selected for the course should be available for the entire duration of the course, that is 2 years on full-time basis. Candidates selected for the course should not do private practice or engage in any other employment etc. during the contact session and field postings. If a candidate is found to be engaged in a work other than course work, his/her admission to the course will be cancelled. Last date: the last date for receipt of completed application at ICMR NIE, Saturday 31st December 2022. Submission of application duly filled in prescribed application form with necessary enclosure should be sent to the following address: superscribing application for India FATP MPH on the top of the cover, India FATP MPH Program Coordinator, ICMR School of Public Health, ICMR National Institute of Epidemiology, Tamil Nadu Housing Board, Ayapakkam, Chennai, Tamil Nadu 600077. So this is ICMR NIE, Indian Council of Medical Research, National Institute of Epidemiology. Course description: duration and course organization. Duration 2 years. Contact session 4. Field posting 3. Year 1 and year 2. Here course description is given. July Public Health Epidemiology. August Biostatics Applied Epidemiology. September Demography Health Systems. October Oral Scientific Communication. November, December, January Public Health Situation Analysis, Surveillance Data Analysis. February Health System Applied Epidemiology, Written Scientific Communication, Social and Behavioral Sciences, Infectious Disease NCD and Injuries Epidemiology. May June Surveillance Program Evolution. Year 2 July, August, September, October, November Health System, Public Health, Nutrition, Occupation and Environmental Health, Media, Advocacy and Communication. December, January, February, March, April, May Data Collection, Entry Analysis, Manuscript Writing. June Viva Voce, Outbreak Investigation, Scientific Conferences. 3-tier mentoring, 1 field visit in every field posting by NIE mentor, co-mentor, local field mentor and line manager. So these are internal evaluation and evaluation of field projects. External evaluation. Fees: no course fee for deputed candidates from the state, central government, departments, armed forces. One-time administrative service fee ₹30,000 to be paid at the time of admission to SCTIMST by both the deputed and non-deputed candidates. For the non-deputed government, public-private candidates and the deputed candidates from private institution, the course fee is 1 lakh only, non-refundable, payable at the beginning of the course. Method of selection: a selection committee constituted by SCTI, MST and NIE will select the candidate based on the following: written test, personal interview, reservation of seats as per Government of India norms being followed by SCTI, MST. Mere possession of the eligibility criteria will not entail selection for the course. The decision of the director SCTI, MST shall be final for selection of the candidates. Application form: the prescribed application form can be downloaded from the institute website nie.gov.in/ICMR SPH India FETP mph.html. The prescribed application form given in the website or its photocopy alone should be used. Application in any other form will not be considered. Application fee: application should be submitted along with the application fee of rupees 600 only by means of a demand draft drawn on any nationalized bank in favor of director NIE, payable at Chennai. Application without the application fee will not be considered. Attached photocopy of demand draft with the application. So in this video, information regarding ICMR NIE, India FETP, Master of Public Health, Epidemiology and Health System is given, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health and other competitive exams like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar and other university and institutes like IIPH, NIMHANS, JIPMER, Pune University, Lucknow University, and for all other university and institutes MPH entrance exam, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974 for important question PDF notes, and kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information regarding important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.